Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Sony MDR-EX150AP in-ear headphones. As you can see, the headphones come in a transparent package. You can see that this particular model is black in color. We don't have a lot of information on the box other than the fact that this device comes with a 1-year warranty and that it has a small, compact design. The correct way of opening this package is from down here. Just grab and pull. The headphones seem to be attached to the plastic tray at the center. The Sony logo is quite prominent on the headphones. Let's pull this tray out. Looks like there is more stuff. First, we have an instruction manual for the headphones. It gives you a detailed guide on how to use the device. Next, we have a small plastic pouch. Looks like it contains the extra silicone tips. It's very tightly packed. We'll get back to it later. Now let's take a look at the headphones themselves. Let's pull them out gently. They tend to get stuck easily. This is what the headphones look like. They're quite lightweight and have a metallic finish. You can see the Sony logo even more clearly now. There's also an inline remote control with a multifunction button and a mic as well. Finally, we have a 3.5mm jack at one end. Let's put these to the side. This looks like a wire manager. Finally, let's take a look at the silicone earbuds. There you go. 3 pairs of extra silicone tips in 3 different colors: red, blue and orange. That's all you'll find in this box. Thank you for watching.